Hey, welcome back to Perkins Garage. Got some things going on today. So I got that car lift now, and it's got this thing. That thing. I don't like it having this hanging around, whatever. It's taking up space. So what I'm going to do is hang it on the wall over there. And to do that, I'm going to make a bracket. So it's already got a bracket on here. So what I'm going to do is unbolt this from here, the motor and everything, and then I'm going to cut this off, this section here, and I got metal angle iron, and I'm going to lag those to the wall, and I'm going to weld that bracket to this, and then mount the motor and everything to the wall. So that's the plan. See how it goes. Stay tuned. Got the pump motor and everything off the bracket thing here, thingy, and I got the first angle iron connected to the wall with some lag screws right through the studs. And here's this bracket. So I'm going to reuse this section here, so I got to cut this off. So hold on, we'll get that done real quick here with the grinder. Well, I can't get the grinder in there, so this is going to take longer. I'm going to cut it with a Sawzall. That should be fun.
Where's my gloves?
Safety first. There! Got it! Stop complaining now. Just break it off. Now for the other side. Got it! Scrap metal. Now that I'm sweaty and I got a dirt mustache. Yeah, here we go. Fixed it. I'm not even going to grind those off because you're not going to see them. But I got to clean up this metal now with a grinder so I can weld to it. Alright, here we go. Voila! Got that all cleaned up. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get that side. Whoops! There. Now, you can go fit it up. You're gonna have to turn the welder all the way up for this. This is about 1/8 inch. Boom. Let's see. 19 and 354. We'll go like 19.8. Nail that. Tap her on. That's how it's gonna go. Just like that. Mark. Right there. So for now I'm just going to tack it, because I got to get the bottom bracket mounted too. So I'm just going to tack it, get it in place, and then mark out where the bottom one goes, and then get that one put on. So here we go. And I don't ever recommend welding without sleeves on, because I've had really bad burns. It's worse than sunburn welding trailers back in my younger days. But we're just tacking it for now. That'll do. We definitely don't want to weld it on the wall, because I end up setting my house on fire. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Actually, probably I already have this one marked out. I do. Alright, so I'm going to drill the holes on these and get this ready to attach to the wall, and then tack this up too. So, and then bring it over to the table, and then I'll do all the welding over there. So stay tuned. Alright, I got the bottom one mounted. Now I just got to tack that on, bring it over to the table, and I'm going to weld it on and weld it all up. And I did not get it centered. I even went through all that trouble to mark it out and everything, and then just slapped it on there and whatever. I'm an idiot. Fire this bad Larry up. Enough. Alright, we'll take it over the table and weld it all up. Accident. Alright, got her mounted, gonna weld her up. I should grab some welding gloves for this. Hopefully I don't burn my legs. I'm wearing shorts. It's hot. cups if you put the ground on, you Nimrod. I don't know what's going on with my phone here, but it just keeps cutting out. So here we go. So I get to got her welded. Oh yeah, looks real nice. That should not go anywhere. Should hold pretty good. So I'm gonna get that cooled down and mount it back on the wall. Definitely want to cool it down because it's still really hot and I could set my house on fire. So here we go. Gonna hang it on the wall now. Got some thunderstorms coming through. Probably won't rain at my place though because they seem to scatter. My yard's drier than a popcorn fart right now, so hopefully the yard don't start on fire with a lightning strike. Get on there, glove. Chop, bud. I don't think that's going anywhere. I like it. We're gonna move them. Good enough. All right, now I gotta mount the motor onto that thing. So here we go. Look at that. One. It's not bad if you kind of know what you're doing and you're experienced. Here. Kill myself. Still holding. Yeah, got it. Nailed it. Now you're fine. Sweet. What the fuck is that? Oh, sorry. Alright, there is the finished product for the most part. I'm going to make a little thing to hang the cord on in the hydraulic line when I'm not using it. but it's back. It's on the wall. Turned out pretty good. I did record putting it on here, but my phone is acting up and being stupid, so you can get to see that me struggling away. But it's on there, and turned out pretty good. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna clean stuff up here and show you what's all going on. So there it is. Bolted right on. And then, there's a cord in the hydraulic hose. I gotta probably just put something right there, or do something. So there you have it. Got my thing done and move on to the next project, which is I've got to start working on that topper, getting that thing cleaned up. So we're heading up north in a couple weeks, and I'd like to have that topper on there so I have room for my tools and stuff and better storage. So anyway, we had the Chevelle out today. Went to a car show in town for the Marine Corps League. They did Christmas in July, donating toys for kids and stuff, because they do toys for tots. Didn't video any of that, but car's running good. It's happy. I got the rear seat bottom put in too, so that video's probably already been out, or maybe I'll put this one out first. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, little update done. On to the next thing. Thanks for watching. See you later.